Hello friends, how can we create such image from such image? So let's start the video. First open Photoshop, then click on new file. Select width, height, resolution. Select background color white. After everything is fixed properly, then click on create. After that, file, open, select the image you want to edit from your PC. Then select subject. Then you select the subject of your photo perfectly with the quick selection tool. Then layer. Create a white mark on this image and select move tool. Then you use the move tool to bring the picture to the first layer you created. Set the image as you like. Then click on OK. Then copy layer 1. Close the eyes of layer 1. Then click on the right side of the copied layer. Select Convert to Smart Object. After that, select X tool. Set the text font as you like. Again, set the text size as you like. Then smooth. Select color. And OK. After that, write a text A. Then press keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T and set the text as you like. Next, drag the text layer down to layer 1 copy. Select layer 1 copy. Then press keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T. Lower the opacity a bit to make it easier to set the image to your linking. Now you fix the picture in the right place according to your picture card. When your task is complete, then you set opacity 100 and OK. Select text mark and click on the right side, then select pixel. Select top layer and create a mark. After that, select top layer, then select image mark and click on the right side, then select pixel. Next, select top layer text mark, select white color and select brush tool. Then select hard round. Now brush. If you look like this while brushing, then make the opacity 100% and flow 100%. Then you brush thoroughly. Next, we need to fix the fingers that are not visible in the image that have been cut off. For this, we are the first select text mark and click on the right side, then select pixel. After that, select invert or keyboard shortcut Shift plus Ctrl plus I. Then select top layer. Then we need to go brush tool. Then you brush it thoroughly and in brushing it, use the white mark to draw out the fingers and fix them perfectly with the black mark. When your brushing is complete, then press keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D. Now input the image you want to use the image here. We have to go for it. File, open, Then select picture and open. Layer, convert layer 0. Click on the right side and select convert to smart object. Then you use the move tool to bring the picture to the first layer you created. Set the image as you like. Next, drag the layer 2 down to layer 1 copy. Set well between the hands as if he is holding the card. Then OK. Select the first 3 layers. For this, press keyboard Ctrl and select one by one. After that, create a group. Now you can see the difference between the previous picture and the current picture. After that, add a layer style, blending options. Select drop shadow, angle 157, distance 16%, size 20%, opacity 40%. When your task is complete, then OK. After that, create a layer of the entry layer. For this, press keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E. Then filter, camera raw filter. Now you can increase or decrease it by matching it with your photo very easily. And OK. Finally, our work is done. Hope you learned a lot from the video and the video was very helpful. This tutorial is easy to follow along. Go ahead and give it a try. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will be notified when I uploaded new content. Thank you.